In today's video, I'm going to talk about something that's going to change the way you look at online ads. It's going to change your perspective, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create ads that will perform exactly how they are supposed to perform. So if you want to know how to make your online ads perform better, keep watching this video till the end. Hey there, my name is Puneet Tandon and welcome to Young Urban Project. One of the biggest misconceptions in the world of digital marketing about ads is that the ads are supposed to sell a product or a service. Now, this cannot get further away from the truth. I'm going to give you a very different opinion today. And that opinion is that the purpose of an ad is not to sell a service or a product. Instead, the purpose of an ad is to get a person to click on it. Most people get this wrong when they're creating ads or writing copy for the ads. They're trying to sell the product or the service right through the ad. Think about it. Do you ever look at an ad for the first time, click on it and just buy the product? You don't, right? What you do is you click on the ad, you go to the landing page, go through the content on the landing page, see the offers and other things, what all is included in the product, what's not included, all of that, and then make a decision to purchase it. That means the landing page is supposed to sell you the product or the service, not the ad. What is the ad supposed to do? The ad is supposed to get you to click on it. That means the purpose of the ad is to sell you a click, not sell you the product. And that's where most digital marketers and copywriters get it wrong. They try to start selling you the product right through the ad. That's like going into a bar, spotting someone who's attractive, going up to them and directly asking them to marry them without even going on the first date. In this analogy, when you meet someone in the bar, that's the ad. When you take them out for a date, that's where you do your sales pitch. That's where the landing page comes in. You don't get someone to marry you the moment you meet them. You get to know them, you get them to know you, you spend time with them, a lot of other things happen, and then finally they agree to marry you. In this analogy, agreeing to marry is like purchasing a product or a service. So you can't expect someone to directly look at an ad and say, all right, I want to buy this. And that's why when you create your online ads, you need to keep this in mind. You must be seeing a lot of such ads on your Facebook feed where they're just trying to sell you, and you are never going to get convinced to buy them right off the hook. The idea is to use an image that looks like it would be just like anyone else, your friend posting on Instagram or Facebook. It doesn't have to look like an ad, but I'm going to change something here. I'm going to do the mistake that most people do. And that's something you will also have to experiment with it to find out whether what works for you. But I'm going to add the image of my course. So this is the box that I've used. I'm just going to place this on the ad like this, and I'm going to write a very salesy copy, which is also direct. I'm just demonstrating the real stuff to you. So this is where I'm going to place it. I'll probably place something behind the text so that it's easier visible. Okay, it looks attractive. I guess it will get people to stop scrolling, but it's very salesy. It says learn making videos on smartphone, and then it shows a product. Now imagine somebody who doesn't follow me. I've targeted a cold audience, somebody who has no idea who I am, and suddenly they see an ad on their feeds which says learn making videos on smartphone V3M course. What do you think the reaction is going to be? I'll tell you, because I've tested this. Those people are going to just scroll by. So while I'm going to get reach and impressions, I am not going to get clicks. That means I'm never going to get these people to visit my landing page. And because they have not visited the landing page, that means they will not be able to ever get into my remarketing list. I will not be able to remarket to them because they never visited my page. So what I generally do is I will show you the same creative and I will edit it a little bit. And imagine this for cold audiences, people who have never seen your ad before. And it's purely for those people. all I'm going to change here is the text. To scale it down. The secret method digital marketers are using to make high impact videos using just a smartphone. I'm not saying this is a course. I'm not saying what it is. I'm just going to find out how. Now, if you look at this creative, and I'm going to add one more thing on this. Now, I have used a few things here. I have used a power keyword which says secret method, which creates some kind of a scarcity that not everyone knows about this. So I'm saying secret method. You could also write the hidden method. You could also write a lot of other things. So this is called, these are called power keywords. It's very common to use keywords like these when you are writing persuasive sales copies, when you want people to take a specific action. I have tried these, experimented with these on my landing pages and all these places, and I have seen clear results. I've seen my results jump by 70%, 80% by making small copy changes. This is how it looks. It doesn't look like a well-made professional creative, not because I can't make it, but because I've intentionally kept it that way. And I'm going to add the other element, which is again a very smart thing that we are going to do. We are going to create a small box here. I've written trending. This doesn't look like an ad. This looks like one of those, when this appears in the news feed, it is going to look like one of those BuzzFeed articles or Scoop Whoop articles and all those kind of things. It's a little, it's frivolous. It kind of catches the attention. It kind of gives an intrigue into what it is. Just look at both these ads. If you were someone who had no idea about video making and marketing, which of these ads are you more likely to click on? This is ad number 1, which says learn making videos on smartphone, versus ad number 2, trending. This looks like a news piece, by the way. The secret method digital marketers are using to make high impact videos using just a smartphone. Find out how. Even if you have no interest in video making, which of these ads, 1 or 2, which of these ads are you more likely to click on?
The second one.
Second one. Second.
Yeah, the second one.
Does that make sense? One of the biggest tricks that I can give you today is when you create ads, make sure that they don't look like ads. You would want the ad to get you to click on the landing page, go through it, and then probably get convinced or decide against buying it. Go to Google. There are so many ads in the search results that are trying to sell you something, giving the discount, the offer. They are not selling you the click. That is where amazing, intriguing copy, sometimes even scandalous copy, comes into picture. When you write copy like that, that's where you create that intrigue and get a person to click on the ad, go to the landing page. And when you create your ad next time, try to do that. I think that's going to change the way you get your results off your ads. You're going to get so much traffic. That's what the first ad is supposed to do. It's supposed to get traffic on your landing page. And then your remarketing game can start. Your landing page can do the rest of the convincing part. I hope you like this quick tip on advertising. My name is Puneet Tandon. You're watching Young Urban Project. I'll see you in the next video. But can I first request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you are notified every time a new video comes up. That would be really helpful for us. I will see you in the next week with yet another interesting topic. See you then. Bye bye.